Hello friends. In today's class we are going to learn about the vertical circular motion. Okay. So up to now we have discussed only about the circular motion which are horizontal. Now in this lecture we are going to learn about the vertical direction circular motion. Okay. So you have seen many times the circular merry-go-round. That is nothing but the vertical circular motion. It is moving in the upward direction and downward direction in a circular path. Okay. So this will represent, this is the example of the vertical circular motion. Okay. Here this diagram shown the concept regarding the vertical circular motion. Okay. So whenever our object is moving along the vertical circular path, okay, it will experience a tension along the center. Okay, so each position here I have represented with a big dot, and that will represent the different tension at that position. Okay, so here the direction of tension is along the radius and towards the center in each condition. Okay, so here we are going to find the value of the velocity at different positions. Okay, so here observe this second diagram. In this diagram we have shown the three major positions: the position A, that means the topmost position, the lower position, that is B, and middle position C, or anywhere the position D. सो इथं आपल्याला ह्या तीन कंडिशन मध्ये व्हॅलॉसिटी त्या ऑब्जेक्टची किती असू शकते वर्टिकल मोशन मध्ये हे आपल्याला फाइंड आउट करायचं आहे. ओके, सो सगळ्यात आधी आपण इथं विचार केला की हायेस्ट पोझिशन दॅट इज ॲट द टॉप ऑफ द वर्टिकल सर्कल, त्यावेळेस द डायरेक्शन ऑफ द वेट ऑफ दॅट ऑब्जेक्ट इज mg टुवर्ड्स द सेंटर और इन डाउनवर्ड, and the tension T1 it is along again the same direction, that is downward direction. Okay, now the second position, it is the downward position. Here the mg is along the downward direction, and the tension here it is T2. Let second case है त्यामुळे T2 it is along the vertical direction towards the center. Okay, so mg ला हे exactly opposite मध्ये येणार आहे. Third position we can say it is midway position C, or anywhere that is represented here with a P. म्हणजे ते डी पोझिशन दाखवतो, रिप्रेझेंट करतो आपण, नंतर डी ने बघितलाय तो. ओके, सो इट इज पी. नाउ ॲट पी ऑल्सो द एम जी इज इन द डाउनवर्ड डायरेक्शन, सो वी कॅन रिझॉल्व दिस एम जी एस एम जी कॉस थीटा अँड एम जी साइन थीटा. ओके, थीटा इज अँगल ऑफ एम जी विथ द टेंजेंशियल डायरेक्शन ऑफ दॅट पर्टिक्युलर पॉइंट पी. नाउ हियर अगेन the tension T3 it is along the center. Okay, so त्याची डायरेक्शन तिथं आपण याच्यामध्ये बघतो. Okay, let the radius of this circular vertical circular path it is r. So the position of the highest point from the lowest point it is twice the radius 2r as shown here in the diagram. Lowest position from the center it is r. Okay, and h is the height of the midway position, any position that we have taken here P, that is the H. Okay, now let's start with the topmost position, that is uppermost position A. Okay, so I have given here, we have discussed in diagram also, that both the weight mg and the tension Ta1 both are in the same direction. Okay, it is position A, so tension may be represented as Ta. Okay, so both are in the same direction, that is downward direction, and in equilibrium the force it is balanced, total force, downward force it is balanced by the total upward force. Here upward force we can imagine that it is centrifugal force, mv square divided by 2, sorry mv square divided by r. So from that condition, for uppermost position A we can write Ta plus mg, because both are in the same direction, so Ta plus mg is equals to mr square divided by r, mv square divided by r. Okay, now realized with that, there suppose there is a minimum possible energy at the topmost position. Okay, uppermost position ला कायनेटिक एनर्जी हे मिनिमम होते. वाय? बिकॉज द वेलॉसिटी, वी नो दॅट वेलॉसिटी ॲट द अपर मोस्ट पॉइंट ऑफ द सर्क्युलर पाथ इट विल बी 0. So if velocity is 0, its kinetic energy will become 0. So kinetic energy will become, that means 0 means here the uppermost point the energy is 0. That means tension Ta, it is nearly equal to 0, or we can say it is 0. So by applying that in the equation we can get velocity A, Va. So therefore Va max, Va minimum is equals to square root of Rg. हे आपल्या प्रिव्हियस इक्वेशन मध्ये TA 0 ठेवल्यानंतर हे आपल्याला इक्वेशन फाइंड आउट होणार आहे. ओके, नाव कन्सिडर द लोअर मोस्ट पोझिशन, दॅट इज द बी. जे खालच्या जागेला होतं, म्हणजे वेन ऑब्जेक्ट इज मुव्हिंग अँड कमिंग टुवर्ड्स द लोअर मोस्ट पोझिशन, दॅट इज द लोवेस्ट पोझिशन ऑफ दॅट वर्टिकल मोशन, दॅट इज बी. नाव हियर the force that are acting on that object are mg in the downward direction and t2, or it is point b, so tb, it is in the upward direction. So ह्या पॉइंटला हे दोन्ही ची डायरेक्शन both are opposite. So we can write in the equation as tb minus mg. Okay, so it is acting on this object along this straight line, so tb minus mg. Now this total force is balanced by again the centrifugal force acting at that position. So let at that position velocity is vb. ज्या त्या ह्याला velocity change होते. So वरती आपण घेतलं होतं va velocity at point A. Now here it is vb velocity at point B. Okay, so here we are getting mvb square divided by r. So what is the equation here? Ta minus mg is equals to mvb square divided by r. Okay, now here the corresponding decrease in energy, what is the decrease in energy? Here is the gravitational potential energy will decrease because its position is coming from highest position to lowest position. Height change hote means here is the decrease in potential energy. So whenever there is decrease in potential energy, energy is conserved. So this potential energy is converted into the kinetic energy. Okay, so here potential energy first we'll find from the diagram. The height from the uppermost level it is 2r. A point पासून B पर्यंत यासाठी जर डिस्टन्स किती ट्रॅव्हल केला, r plus r 2r. So potential energy mg into 2r, it is equals to kinetic energy because it is converting into the kinetic energy. So it is 1/2 mvb square. Kinetic energy is a formula 1/2 mv square. But here velocity is changing from point A to point B. So kinetic energy is a formula we are writing in the term of the difference. 1/2 mvb square minus 1/2 mva square. Okay, so 1/2 m is common. Here we are getting the 1/2 mva square minus vb square minus va square. Now see the LHS and RHS. Mm get cancelled, 2 get cancelled. So here we are getting vb square minus va square is equals to 4rg. Okay, so 2 is multiplied there, not cancelled, sorry. By cross multiplication 2 into 2 4rg. So vb square minus va square is equals to 4rg. It is for the this difference in the energy. Now from this we can find the velocity at point B, vb minimum. How we can find? va minimum ची व्हॅल्यू आपल्याला माहिती आपण फाइंड आउट केलेली आहे फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट कंडिशन, दॅट इज स्क्वेअर रूट ऑफ rg. So substitute that here vb square minus va square means vb square minus rg is equals to, here we finding that 4rg. So solve this, minus rg will come here, it will be 5rg. vb square is equals to 5rg, that means vb is equals to square root of 5rg. So here we are getting the velocity at lowest position v. Now here the change in the tension, that means tb minus ta we can find. The total force acting here at this position will be ta minus tb minus 2 mg. The total force between topmost position and lowest position will be LHS ta minus tb minus 2 mg. mg आणि वरच्या कंडिशन मधला mg. So it will be minus 2 mg. It will be mv square divided by r. Okay, now v for the lowest position and for the highest position. So m by r vb square minus va square. vb आणि va च्या व्हॅल्यूज आपल्याला माहिती आहे, आपण ते सबस्टिट्यूट करायचे. सो अल्टिमेट वी आर गेटिंग हियर आफ्टर सोल्युशन ऑफ दिस टोटल इक्वेशन tb minus ta is equals to 6 mg. Total this much of tension difference between topmost position and the lowest position is 6 mg. Okay, that is the additional concept in this position, top and lowest position. Now we are going to find for the position C or any position D. Okay, diagram मध्ये आपण ते represent केलेला होता. Now here if it is at the center, the tension will act here Tc minus Ta, or at any position it will be act as a Td minus Ta. Okay, so it will be taking difference from the A position. So Tc minus Ta or Td minus Ta. How it is represented? It will be 3 mg. Okay, we'll find it from the diagram itself. It is 3 mg there, and Vc or Vd minimum velocity at position C or velocity at position D, the minimum velocity required at that position, it will be, if that difference is 3 mg, then here we are getting the velocity is square root of 3 rg. Okay, this is for the at any position in the vertical circular motion. Okay, so here we are getting ideas about the velocities at the topmost position. It is square root of rg. Minimum velocity required at the topmost position is square root of rg. याच्यापेक्षा थोडी जरी velocity कमी असेल तर there is a slacking in the thread and that object will fall down in the downward direction or towards the center. Downward side we are getting the velocity as a square root of 5 rg. Okay, and at mid position or at any position we are getting it root 3 rg. Okay, so hope you understand this vertical circular motion. If you have any doubt, comment here, like our videos and subscribe.